It's not like, oh, he's cute, oh, she's cute, oh, like I like the personality, I get along with them. It's like, no, like this, I'm like extremely connected to and attracted to this person. Hi, my name is Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be talking all about twin flames. I'll be going over the difference between a twin flame and a soulmate. I'll explain what exactly a twin flame is and how to tell if you found your twin flame. So I'll just get right into it. First, I want to go over the difference between a soulmate and a twin flame. So a soulmate is someone who is made up of the same energy as you and someone who is basically your perfect match. It's someone who kind of just complements your soul, someone you can do life with. But we can have multiple soulmates, so it's not just one person. There are probably a couple of people in the world who would match that soulmate criteria. With a twin flame, it's a completely different story. So a twin flame is thought to be literally one soul split into two bodies. So it's like your mirroring soul. You also only have one twin flame, and so twin flames typically manifest in romantic relationships. However, it doesn't always have to be romantic. It can be like a friend or a sister, someone who really is just like your other half. So when you're looking at your twin flame, you're literally looking at a mirror, because that person is you. Like that's the major difference between a soulmate and a twin flame. A soulmate is kind of just someone who you can, you know, be romantic with and end up living your life with. With the twin flame, it's literally, like, I know it sounds weird, but it's literally a reflection of your own soul, because it is your soul. It's just like the other half of your soul. And not everybody ends up finding their twin flame. So if you do, you're very lucky. So the purpose of a twin flame is to help you grow spiritually, and they also help you deal with kind of like all the emotional baggage that you haven't dealt with, all the parts of yourself that, you know, kind of like the darker parts of yourself. They help you heal those parts of your soul as well. And so the purpose of a twin flame is to kind of shed your ego of all that, you know, trauma, all those emotional wounds, and basically become a spiritually awakened being. So how do you know that you've met your twin flame? So it's a pretty long list of signs, but I'll just share with you 7 that I feel are kind of the most relevant. The first one is when you meet this person, you feel like an intense attraction to them. And it's not even just attraction, it's just like a magnetic pull. It's so much so that you start questioning, like, why? Like, how could I possibly feel this strongly and feel this connected to this person who I haven't met before? Like, it's so intense, the magnetic pull to this person, that it feels like, it's not like, oh, he's cute, oh, she's cute, oh, like I like the personality, I get along with them. It's like, no, like this, I'm like extremely connected to and attracted to this person. So the second sign is you feel like you've met this person before. Like there's something about this person that is just so familiar. It almost feels like a deja vu, and you don't know why or how, but for some reason you feel like you know them. And it's not just like, oh, I can talk to them for hours, I feel like I've known them my whole life. Like, it's like, no, you literally feel like a sense of deja vu because you feel like you've met this person before. And so the next sign is you feel that this person is going to play a very important role in your life, and you don't really know why. It doesn't always have to be romantic, but there's something about this person that makes you feel like you're gonna know them for the rest of your life, or you're gonna know them for a long time, or they're gonna be in your life for a really long time. When you're in a relationship with a twin flame, it's more than just love and sex. This person is also your best friend. I know it sounds cheesy, but it's like your best friend, your teacher, your partner in crime in kind of life, basically. Like your life purpose is the same, and you're supposed to carry out that purpose together. You guys feel like you have literally come together to kind of carry out a bigger purpose. Like you have the same life purpose, life goals. Like your union was meant to contribute to something larger. So the next time that you've met your twin flame, or that you're about to meet your twin flame, is you keep seeing the numbers 1111. So honestly, I don't really know the specifics of what exactly it means when you see 1111, but I do know that 1111 is like the twin flame number, because it's like I did 1111 with my fingers, but I do know that 1111 is the twin flame number. It symbolizes two people just kind of coming together and forming a twin flame relationship. Again, I'm not a complete expert on that. I would do your own research on the numerology behind that and exactly what it means. But I do know for certain that 1111 is associated with twin flame relationships. So the next time that you've met your twin flame is you keep coming across this person. Like, you keep crossing paths for whatever reason. Like, you may have met them at a party once and you felt connected to them, all that, but like you never really saw them again. And then like 2 months later, a year later, you run into them again. And like, it just keeps happening almost like a magnet. It could be something like maybe one of you is in a relationship when you meet, so you can't obviously carry out that relationship. But even after that relationship is done, like, you keep like crossing paths, you keep running into each other. But yeah, if you know a person who you're feeling all these things with and nothing has come of it, but yet you're continuously running into each other, that is a sign of a twin flame. And so the last sign that I have for you today is everything with this person, every emotion is so intensified. So when it's good, it feels really, really good. And when it's bad, it feels really bad. And the reason that a twin flame relationship can feel bad or uncomfortable is because this person is meant to kind of reveal all the things, like I said, that you have to kind of fix about yourself. All that baggage, all that past trauma, all those emotional wounds, that person is meant to help you heal from that so that you can grow spiritually. And because of that, some people aren't able to handle the intensity of that. Like I said, they're literally your mirror. So they're showing you the parts of yourself that you know that you kind of need to heal. And that can be a very, very uncomfortable situation for a lot of people. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. I probably will be doing a part 2 to this video, just depending on the feedback that I get from this video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you next time.